What is drama club to you?
Rules of drama, we believe that drama is an aesthetics club which aims to put on the best production for the school and the general public to enjoy.
Through CCA sessions, our members are mentored in the art of voice projection, characterization,
Mama, why are you shouting?
script analysis, and other practical and artistic skills that we can use during our performances. Afterwards, our members will showcase their efforts through competitions at the Singapore Youth Festival.
This year, we put out 2 productions. Sideline.
Mr. Rabbit is here.
Hello, Mr. Rabbit. I'm 6. Happy 6th birthday, Mix.
In the end, Sideline was awarded the Certificate of Achievement, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 was awarded the Certificate of Distinction.
Students from different CCAs such as volleyball and wushu, and even teachers were involved. They said the show was mesmerizing.
So everyone communicates and cooperates while building bonds they never knew they would make.